It's the master's turn, though. I'm fitting in for a little show here.
Take our withers away like we be Calgon. Deep in space like the Millennium Falcon. Y'all be fools, score like ancient Babylon. Rabbits and turtles all run the marathons. Yup, y'all paper chasing, y'all human racing. Who got the best basement? You got a 6SL, I got a SSL. I score movies, make supreme clientele. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City crap. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City crap. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City crap. Silly rabbit trying to disrespect the abbot. Don't you know that we turn your cold body to magnets? I got 40 million records sold, some platinum, some gold. Some we just put out to meet the tax code. Your career will be shorter than the 21st of December. You be one of those 1,000 rappers no one remembers. While my name is carved on trophies, colleges recite my bars. You can look up and see my name upon the stars. And when it comes down to that basic talent, I got 20 little cousins that can meet your challenge. Yo, stop and listen and check the proposition. Son got lots of vision plus lots of wisdom. Hindsight, foresight, insight, out of sight. Some try to imitate, but they are not alike. They only piggyback. Have a dizzy snack. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track.
Greatest feeling to have a man prostrate before you, a tribute to your power. The reason why we stopped and spared your son's life was to give you faith. Gangster man, thank you. You fight well. The hands must reach for the sky. Feet rest firmly and have perfect breathing. Good breath control. You've noted these.
That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track. That Wu-Tang slang is that New York City track.